Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Top Widget and granting the essential permissions so the app can update in real time. Once installed, sign in or create an account. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security. Then open the app and allow widget placement. You'll need notification and display permissions. These steps let the widget pull data and appear on your home screen. Do them now so the next steps can customize behavior without permission roadblocks. Now you configure what the widget shows and how it looks. You pick data sources, built modules, third-party integrations, or a manual feed, and then select a layout like compact, expanded, or a custom grid to match your screen. Once done, set the refresh interval, for example, 5 minutes, so updates balance timeliness and battery use. Make sure to adjust colors, font size, and tap actions so each widget tile launches the exact shortcut you want. Place the configured widget on your home screen and resize it so key information is visible at a glance. You should test taps and live updates immediately. Open items, trigger shortcuts, and watch for fresh data. If updates stop, check permissions and background refresh first. As a quick fix, force close the app, clear its cache, and reauthorize any integrations. That resolves most sync issues. If problems persist, restart your device and try re-adding the widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.